Estrella. Yes, that was good girl. Get it, Estrella. Okay, get it, Estrella. Yes, I'll pay you to move it a little bit. There we go. Argos, leave it. Thank you. Estrella. Get it, Estrella.
That was easy.
Yes, good girl. Yes, good girl. Good girl. Yes, good girl. I'll pay you for that one. Harper, leave it. Get it, Estrella. Get it, Estrella. Yes, good girl. Get it. Yes, good girl. Good, very good weight on everybody else's part. Good weight. Good Skylar weight. Get it, Estrella. Yeah? All right, hold on. Let's see what we can do here. All right, Sherlock, you want to get it? Sherlock, hit it. Yes, good boy. Good boy, Sherlock. Good job. Harper, get it.
That was easy.
Yes, good girl.
That was easy.
Yes, good boy, Argos. You're going to have to wait your turn, though. Get it, Sky. You gonna hit it? Get it. You gotta hit it. Not me. Just stop. Okay, get it, Estrella. Or Skylar, get it. You get it, Skylar? Or you get it, Estrella? Get it? I know. There's too many of them. There's too many of them. Oh no, he died. Get it. Take, touch it. Come on, Sky.
That was easy.
Good boy, Argos. What about you? Psyche, you want to try? Look it? Yes, Psyche. Good girl. That's really good. Very nice. All right. Ready?
Was easy.
Ready, hit it.
That was easy.
Harper, good girl. Here, Harper.
That was easy.
All right. Get it, Argos.
That was
Yes, Argos. Good boy.